Hello everyone, it's Elle and I truly hope you guys are doing great today. So I am going to jump into another Coach unboxing, and I want to take you on a little store tour of Coach where I purchased my products from. I have two bags to show you guys, and I also want to do a sneak peek of some contemporary new bags that I just purchased and see what you guys think. Guys, so I decided to move into my office where it's a little bit better lighting and a little bit more of a display area. So I have an unbagging and an unboxing, and one I got from that Coach outlet and the other one I got from the actual retail Coach store. So I'm going to start off with the outlet. This right here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly unwrap everything. And I did peek at this just to make sure it didn't have any stains or anything like that, because the last time I always get the new bags from the back. I never take the floor displays, and the last couple of times I've gotten the new bags wrapped up from in the back of the Coach store from the storeroom, they've had something like stains on them, so you just never know. So I did make sure that this one didn't have anything on it, and yeah, everything is good to go. This is called the Sydney in the Coach signature print. And it's in the chalk color, glacier white chalk color, and I've been eyeing this for a long time. So recently on my channel I did a Coach collection, a Coach haul for you guys, and I had a mini pepper bag, and I had bought two of them, and one of them was pretty redundant to what I already had, so I basically took that one back, and I got this one instead because I had been wanting this one for quite a while. So I hope you can see it, I'm not too far away, but I decided to move into my office because my closet is just not equipped right now. Not that it can't show things really well, but I have things laying around because I've just been busy, and closets can get messy, and mine is a little messy right now. So like I said, the Coach Sydney in the signature chalk, also called glacier white, and it has the crossbody strap, which I'll probably use it with it. It depends on how bulky it feels around my waist area. And this was, I paid $130 for this from the Coach outlet in store. So I love it. I love it. What do you guys think here? Yes. So I'm just gonna unzip it, and it has one big compartment and two little compartments in it. I'll just take out some of the stuffing, right? And here it is right here. Just the regular fabric cloth inner lining, and it's not the suede or microfiber. My official unboxing from the Coach retail store, and so yes. Woo. It felt really good buying this. I actually treated myself to this, and again, this is considered for me somewhat of an expensive to inexpensive bag in terms of luxury. I'm gonna just say this to you: you can have on a $20 bag and it's luxurious. As long as you know that you matter and how expensive you are and how much you're worth, it really doesn't matter. Of course, your bag has to be cute, right? But if your bag is cute, it doesn't matter whether you pay $20 for it. So don't let a handbag define you. Remember, you are the luxury. Let's unbox this Coach bag here. And like I said, I bought it because I liked it. And I like the leather. Sometimes you need a good leather bag. Sometimes you just want to treat yourself. So, there it is. Not too far away. Let's put this to the side. called the Coach Studio. Okay, and it's some really special things going on about this bag. So it retails for over $700. Now you may be able to get a discount, 20% off here, 10% off there, but the retail price, I did pay $7 something for this bag, $700 and something. I haven't splurged like this, but you know, every once in a blue moon, I do. So I love this gray color here, and I'm going to put the exact details. Okay, it comes with a crossbody strap, right? What sold me was this strap right here. Okay, so this is my Coach, my new addition, my Coach Studio. It is the latest and the greatest. It's the soft pillow Coach Studio. I am loving this. It smells so good, and it has 1, 2, 4 compartments, and they're all inner compartments, and I really like it. I really like this. And what's special about this is that I got this monogrammed with my name here, so it's really pretty. You're able to pick out, put your name on it and everything, and like if you want to eventually sell it, or you know, posh it, or whatever you want to do, you can change this out and keep this as a keepsake and put it on another bag. But I did get my name on it there. I really think it should have been gold, so that's something that they need to think about. You're paying extra for it because you know, it comes with the 2 straps, but they should have really made it gold. It really would have really stood out. To this contemporary bag, and I think this person, Anna Polola, I think her name is, yeah, Anna Polola. I've seen this brand many times in TJ Maxx, and well, mostly TJ Maxx. Marshalls may have 1 or 2 of them, but mostly TJ Maxx. I've seen they've seen this brand, right? Anna Polola, and this one is called the Art Rainbow. Now, what makes this bag special is that, number 1, it is supple leather. It comes with a crossbody strap. It comes with the dust cloth here. Okay, but my favorite part of this bag is voila. Do you see this? How beautiful this bag is? Yes. So this is one of my, I think this is luxury. I wouldn't call this contemporary. So the reason why people are calling bags contemporary is because it's not a high price tag or whatever the case may be. I don't know, but this bag is luxury to me. And it was originally, retails for $140. Then it was $79.99, and then when I got to the cash register, I ended up paying $70 for this bag. So yes, I will show you what it was when I bought the bag. I actually recorded it, and it has this clasp in here, like this. See, so it has a clasp, and it has a zipper compartment here. I don't know if you can see it, but, and the whole thing is leather. The inner part is leather. So let me just go ahead and take this out. The inner part is all leather. Everything is leather inside and out. And it has a back pocket here, Really beautiful bag. I love this. This one is by Madden, and it's called the B-Stripe Black Small Bowling Bag. And now some Madden bags are wah in terms of quality looking, and then there's some like this that I actually seen this on the website, and I actually fell in love with it, and I got it from Ross for $50. I am loving this. I just love funky bags sometimes. So it has these straps here, and one is, it's like gold, and it transitions into silver. So the links here, I'm just really loving this bag. And it has the black leather strap here. And I don't think this is, I'm not sure if it's real leather or not, but it has this strap here. So of course it won't hurt your shoulder, the link. But it's by Madden, and I paid $50 for it. It has a zipper compartment in it, and a really nice, cute bowler. So these bags are just a preview of what I'm going to be showing you guys coming up on my channel soon. I'm going to do a whole contemporary. Last but not least, I did get this Guess bag here, and I forgot the name. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the detail. This is Guess, and really pretty hardware on it, and puffer. I'll put the name of this on the side for you guys. And it has a lot of compartments inside, and this one was $49.99 from Marshall's. So Guess is really stepping it up with their bags. I got a lot of pre-Guess bags lately, so here is one of them. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the store tour from Coach, and I will see you in the next one. Again, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.